Hello and welcome. Are you looking to find how you can register Kindle on Amazon? Well, you already have an Amazon account. Now you want to link your Kindle account or Kindle app to your Amazon account. But how do you do that? Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Step. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can register our Kindle on Amazon. Now let's get started. Obviously, the first step is downloading the free Kindle app. For that, you can go to this link right here. I'll also give this link in the description box so you can find it from there, or you can go to your search engine and search for free Kindle apps and press enter. You can select the first link which says free Kindle reading apps for iOS, Android, Mac and PC. If you select it, you will be redirected to the same website. Now from here you can download on App Store, Google Play, or for PC and Mac. Whichever suits your case, choose that one. I'm gonna select download for PC and Mac, and now the download has begun automatically right here. I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. In your case, do wait until the download is complete. Once that's done, you can go to the downloads folder. In my case, I have it in my downloads folder. Now, if you double click on it, please wait while setup is loading. So unpacking data. It may take a minute or two, so be patient. And once it's complete, we're ready for the next step. Few more seconds. Now Kindle is initializing on its own. Now in this welcome screen, we have Kindle terms of use. Do you accept the Kindle terms of use? This is mandatory to accept, so let's click yes. From there, we have to sign in to our Kindle account using Amazon. If we click on sign in with Amazon right here, we will be redirected to register page Amazon Kindle. So we can simply enter our Amazon account details, email or phone number and password associated with it, and sign in. You can also use this eye icon to view your password if you've entered it correctly or not. Sign in, so letters, entering the letters of verb, and continue. There we are. We have successfully linked or registered our Kindle on Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.